Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. To all of you guys out there that's always supporting this channel, thank you so much and thank you for coming back. For today's setup, I'll be using this balloon. It's not sponsored, but I use Tuftex and it's beautiful and it's right here. So all the materials that we use here, we will put it in the description down below. Please check it out. So now this is actually 11 inches. We'll inflate this to 8 inches and this one is 5 inches and we'll inflate this to 5 inches as well. I set this machine to 0.2 or also 5 inches if you use your balloon sizer. And this one I'm gonna use this inflator. If you're wondering where to get this inflator, please check the description down below or please go to our Amazon storefront. Alright, with that said, let's inflate this. That's 2. And then we'll inflate this to 8 inches. And then pair this up. Same thing, you tie this together. So just like that, I pair this with white, okay? I really like this color and I like this balloon. It's nice and thick, but it's soft. It's soft to tie. It looks like it's already double stuffed, but it's not, all right? From Tuftex. You need 46 of this pair and 46 of this pair. It's time to put them all together. So this two right here, you pair this up, put this on the base, and then just like crisscross, okay? Like this. And then you twist your small white balloon so it'll hold it in place. Second one, do the same thing. Then just continue on, so I'll be like going this way, follow the flow of your balloon. It's easier for me that way. So I always hold it on the pink one, hold it with your left hand, and blue on this side, so it's easier that way. And then follow the flow. So I'm on this side now. Look for gaps. Always push it like that. Alright, let's continue. So I'm gonna go here, follow the direction of your balloon. Right, so let's continue. So instead of continuing it right here, we're gonna start back here, but look at this. I just noticed that this is not right, so just twist it back. Make sure the flow is spiral. So if you notice it like that, just like you can easily fix it. Alright, so just continue with the design until you connect them all together. And then last one. So for the final touch, we'll add some flowers. Alright, just like that, it looks nice now. You can add many flowers or whatever you have. You can put happy birthday. In this case, you put our channel, FemMMY. I hope you like this arrangement today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And once again, this is FemMMY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.